Microsoft Office is a comprehensive suite of productivity applications that plays a vital role in various industries. It offers essential tools for word processing, data management, presentations, and more, significantly improving efficiency and collaboration in both personal and professional settings. Microsoft Office is a collection of applications designed for document creation, data analysis, and more. It is accessible across multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, and mobile devices, ensuring flexibility and convenience for users. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processor that allows users to create, edit, and format documents with various templates and styles. It offers real-time collaboration features, enabling teamwork and efficiency, along with advanced formatting options to make documents visually appealing and informative. Excel is a spreadsheet application used for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data through formulas, functions, and pivot tables. It provides graphical representation tools to interpret trends and patterns effectively, and automation features to save time and increase productivity. PowerPoint is designed for creating dynamic presentations with slides that can include text, images, videos, and animations to engage audiences. It offers customizable templates and presenter tools like speaker notes and slide transitions to enhance message delivery. Outlook serves as an email client that enables users to send, receive, and organize emails efficiently with a user-friendly interface. It includes calendar integration for scheduling appointments and events, and task and contact management features for personal and professional organization. Access is a database management tool that allows users to create and manage databases, facilitating data storage and retrieval. It offers query capabilities to analyze data and form and report generation tools to enhance the usability of databases. Microsoft Office Online provides cloud-based access to core applications through a web browser, enabling real-time collaboration where multiple users can edit documents simultaneously. It integrates with OneDrive for Business for document backup and storage. Microsoft Office offers specialized tools and resources for students and educators, enhancing the learning experience through technology. Many educational institutions provide discounted licenses, and tools like Teams and OneNote facilitate collaborative learning and teamwork on projects. Microsoft Office remains a vital tool in the digital workspace, enhancing productivity and collaboration across various fields. With continuous updates and improvements, it meets the evolving needs of users. As remote work and digital collaboration continue to rise, MS Office will likely play an even more significant role in how individuals and organizations operate efficiently.